Hey folks, there's been a lot of response to my video about loading a tricycle tractor onto a trailer with 2 ramps. As you can see, the technique is simple. However, there's some who say that at this point I should be getting off the tractor and crawling under the dead man zone as indicated by the red arrow. I value my life way more than that. This is the correct way to load this tractor. Additionally, as you can see from this picture, the ramps aren't adjustable on this trailer to begin with. But even if they were, there's no way on earth that I would be getting off of a half-loaded tractor and crawling underneath, because that's just insane. And some people were wondering how I back it back off the trailer, and as you can see here, it's just as simple as going on. It's literally this easy. Just don't forget that you're backing off of a trailer, I guess, because if you didn't turn the wheels, you'd be in for a little bit of a rude surprise. But really, this is just, I could do this all day, back and forth. So yeah, thanks for all the overwhelming response on the original video, and hopefully that clears up some of the comments that I was getting. But if you have an alternative opinion, let me know below. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more tractor content.